Hi guys, to all of you out there, thank you very much for tuning in and watching my channel. I do really appreciate your time, feedback and input. Thank you. Today I'm so excited to share with you the unboxing of a new tool that I'm adding to my tool arsenal. Today I'm unboxing the BOSCH PKS 55A circular saw with a rated power of 1200 watt. The saw depth of cut is 55 millimeter or 2 inches on a 0 degree, 38 millimeter, inch and a half on a 45 degree. The no load speed is 5,600 RPM. So let's go on and get in and see what we have. Okay guys, so we unboxed and we got lots of paper here in lots of different languages. So a chance to work on my Polish, Russian and all the other languages. I hope one day I can say hello correctly in these languages. So, this is the saw here. Okay, so the saw, a barrel guide. I would say this one for dust extraction. I will have to read the manual, so after all they got used. But I think, yeah, this will be most probably, it's angling for dust extraction. It has this tank-like sawdust collection. I really haven't used this one in any of my other tools, but I hope it works because better than the bags. Basically, the bags, as all of you know, is hard to clean. So I hope it works, and I hope it fits in more than this saw. I will have many use for it. Okay, let's talk about the saw. Okay, of course it comes with 2 point plugs or 2 prong plugs for European region. Nothing else here. It comes with a nice window, cut window. I don't know if you can see it. It says 0 and 45 degrees. It's very nice actually to be able to see where you're going. It got a grading scale in front of the saw. Okay. Nice storage for the Allen key tool that's supplied with. Again, like any other power tool, on off, press on off, and safety on off. Okay, it got the side here, the mitra angle. Okay, let's see. Get the mitra angles grading here, or scale basically. Alright, and at the back in here we have our, let's get rid of this thing. We have our cut depths grading basically, which is very nice to have when setting up the tool for the cut. The saw blade here is 160 millimeter by 2.2. Okay, and that is the speed cut. I heard good things about the blade. Lots of the guys that I spoke to, they use this blade and say it gives a good cut. So let's plug it in and see what we have. Okay guys, so we installed the barrel guide here on the side. I'm gonna just try to muck around, cut a little bit of wood here, just to hear the noise level and see how the tool works. guys, I hope this would help you selecting the right tool. Thank you very much again for tuning in and watching my video. Till the next time, please stay safe, and if you have a tool like that or planning to get something like that, don't be shy to use it. Okay guys, till the next time.